Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Our today's topic is bipolar disorder. It is a type of mental disorder in which a person may have both mania and depression. Mania is a condition in which an individual may feel great excitement or euphoria, delusions, and such person will be overly active. While on the other hand, depression is a condition where person feel extremely low, depressed, sad, lonely, and even may have suicidal thoughts. The individual suffering from bipolar disorder may have symptoms of both. That's why this is called manic depressive disorder. Episodes of mania and depression may occur multiple times in a year. At times, person will be overly active, while on sometimes he will be sad, alone, detached from everyone. Now let's discuss about symptoms. If we discuss about the symptoms, these may include mania, hypomania, and depression, and these can cause change in mood, behavior, and resulting in significant distress in daily life or in activities. It is further categorized into its types: bipolar 1 disorder, bipolar 2 disorder, cyclothymic disorder, and other types. If we talk about bipolar 1 disorder, in this, a person may have at least one manic episode that may be followed by hypomanic or major depressive episode. In some cases, mania may trigger a break from reality that is called psychosis. Whereas in bipolar 2 disorder, a person had at least one major depressive episode and at least one hypomanic episode, but you have never had a manic episode. Cyclothymic disorder. In this, a person may have had for at least 2 years of episodes of hypomania and periods of depressive disorder symptoms. Bipolar 2 disorder is not a form of bipolar 1 disorder but a separate diagnosis. Mania and hypomania. Mania and hypomania are two distinct types of episodes but have same symptoms. Mania is more severe than hypomania and cause trouble to perform daily tasks and create hindrance in school, work, and in social activities. Mania may require hospitalization. Further symptoms may include increased activity, energy or agitation, decreased need for sleep, unusual talkativeness. In major depressive episode, person may experience depressed mood, feeling sad, empty, hopeless or tearful, lost interest in almost all activities, weight loss, insomnia or sleeping too much, slowed movements, fatigue or loss of energy, feeling worthless, suicidal thoughts. If we discuss about the causes of bipolar disorder, people with this disorder appear to have physical change in their brain. Genetics also play a major role in developing this disorder. If a parent have, then the chances are the child may also suffer from bipolar. Drug or alcohol abuse, death of loved one or any traumatic event may also cause of bipolar disorder. If we discuss about the treatment procedures for bipolar disorders, fortunately there are many treatment procedures available for bipolar disorder. Meditation is preferred for severe type of cases. Even sometimes hospitalization is also recommended. Mood stabilizers, antipsychotics, antidepressants along with anti-anxiety medications are given to treat these. Psychotherapies such as IPSRT, CBT, psychoeducation and family-focused therapies are proved to be best to treat bipolar disorder. So if you or your loved one is suffering from bipolar disorder, just go to your trusted physician and follow their instructions. Also must take the psychotherapies because it will enhance the recovery process. So this was our today's video. Hope you have learned from this video too. So don't forget to like, share and to subscribe our channel. Up till next video, take care.